Chandor, they filed an FIR against him, but he's still out there. Go online and check the 30 projects under Sagarmala. So, we formed the Goiso Ekvot to create awareness among people, and our convener, Prasanant Down, he will tell you the objectives of our group. He is a footballer. He has played for Dempo. He has played for Sporting Club de Goa. He currently serves as a punch member of Majorda.
Double tracking Naga, Korsha Dulakaun Moruk Naga, Naga, double tracking Naga, Korsha Dulakaun Moruk Naga.
Jerusalem,
because Adani has bought a coal mine, Carmichael mine म्हणटा पळय ती in Queensland. तुम्ही काल पळयला इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया मॅची लोक कसो प्रोटेस्ट करतालो पळय तो. So we are not alone. We have got people that side who are also fighting. आता वो coal so ऑस्ट्रेलिया सन कित्याक घडटा? Don't we have coal in India? जेन्ना आमी इस्कॉलान हाडले, in geography we were taught in school ki some states in India are coal rich states. Which are the states? Jharkhand 83.15 billion tons, Odisha 79.30 billion tons, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, billions of tons. That means for the next 10,000 years, 10,000 वर्षापासून they start mining coal, the coal will not get over in India. Then why are they bringing from Australia? Because Supreme Court has order that you have to auction the mines. The government is not challenging. Because the Prime Minister's personal friend, Mr. Adani, has bought the mine in Queensland. Coal so हांगासर हाडपाक लागलो जाल्यार Adani फायदो जावपाक ना. So you see how Modi has been helping his personal friend for making profits. Next. Now MPT coal so येनासलो येतालो. Just about 7.5 million tons per year. So कोणाक गोमावना, less quantity of coal was coming, and so आमी गोंयकारांनी somehow we failed to detect and we didn't mind. And तांकां गोमन आयले, गोंयकार न्हिदल्यात. And that is how today what is happening is because they felt तेन्ना तर बंद करूंक ना, आतां हे गोंयकार बंद करपाक ना, न्हिदल्यात गोंयकार. Till 2014 तुमकां आयकोन तरी तुमी जाणो तो तुमचे कोण तरी सोयरे MPTन हाडले आसतले ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. MPT was a profit-making organization, a public sector organization. आणि खूपशो फॅमिली वयर सरल्यात, फेलीज जाल्यात. आणि काम केलां MPTन वर्सांची वर्सां आपणाच्या फॅमिलीक वयर हाडल्या, भुरग्यांक बरें शिकोवप दिलां, बरें जोडलां, and they are leading a good retired life. Started going in loss. आता तुम्ही म्हणटल्यात Modi is in Delhi, MPT is in Vasco. What is the connection? There is no connection. कितें पिशापणा उलयता? But we will see. There is a connection because when Modi came to power, Air India also went in loss. And ताजे friend पळय private airlines, they started making profits. When Modi came to power, BSNL started going in loss. आयज तुमकां खबर Reliance Jio, Ambani, ताजो personal friend, his company is making huge profits. You see, when Modi came to power, how the private companies were going in loss. BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, went in loss. BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited, went in loss. So your public sector units they started going in loss. And the private companies, जो Modi support करता है, they started making huge profits.
त्या पासो त्या भुरग्यांक रस्त्यार येवचें पडलें सांगोप बाबा गोंयांत कितें जावपाचें आसा पळय तें. आनी जेन्ना यूथ भाय सगळ्यांत सरकारान हाचेर नदर घालून आमी कितें करतात आनी ते कितें करतात तें वायट म्हूण समजून हें बंद करूंकूच पडटलें. आयज तुमच्या गांवांत इतलो यूथ आयला, आख्खें गोंयभर तर आमी उलो मारलो जाल्यार कितले लोक जातले. आनी तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यांक धाडची, तशेंच तुमी मागचेय आमच्या पासत. थोडीं आमची भाव भयणां येवंक सोदची नात, जाणटी आसात, थोड्यांक दुसरें काम आसतलें, पूण तुमी आमचे पासत मागचें. जें झूज आमी सुरू केलां तें आमचेय पासत, तुमचेय पासत आनी फुडले पिळगेय पासत. जे आज आमी जिवीत सारलें, तुमी सारलें, तें आमच्या पुर्वजांनी तर आमकां दवरूंक नाशिल्लें जाल्यार आमी कितें करपाचीं. हे जे प्रोजेक्ट तांणी तर गोंयांत हाडलेले, समजून बरी उदरगत करुया म्हूण पर्यावरण चयनासतना आनी कांय करिनासतना जाल्यार आज जे आमी जिवीत जियेल्यांत, आमी कितलीं वर्सां काडल्यांत, ती घडी आमी काडूंक पावची नासल्यांत.
To take full control of the Noyo, ते ताणी मातशें पेंडिंग दवरल्या बिकॉज द इलेक्शन्स आर देयर इन 2022 आनी लोकांक राग येतलो की आमच्या नोव्यांनी आमच्या नुस्तेकारांक पासून देंवपाक मेळना म्हूण. इफ यू गो थ्रू द लॉज दॅट हॅव बीन इनॅक्टेड एंड पास्ड, they have absolute control. Even captain of port has no control over our rivers. So ye matche tumi sketch matche ugdas karat. These are the rivers. This is the national highway which goes to Karnataka, yellow line, and this is the black dotted line which is the double track which we are trying to stop. Tracks already also already yeta ani the tracks are sangeta. They want to put up one more track to increase the quantity of coal that is to be transported to Karnataka. So वो मात्र तुम्ही sketch understand जायात की कोळसो जो मोरमुगांव येता तो सारको across Goa it will go to Karnataka. Next. Now तुमका understanding करपाक the main topics which you all have to know is what we are fighting against is the transportation of coal. वो कोळसो गोंयांसान आमी म्हणटाव वो हाडनाका आमकां नाका कोळसो. सेकंड इज वो कोळसो येवपाचो हा एमपीटी मोरमुगांव पोर्टस. थर्ड एक प्रोजेक्ट आनी पास केल्लो हा 2015 सागरमाला म्हण. आनी थर्ड हू इज बिहाइंड दिस डिस्ट्रक्शन आनी हे प्रोजेक्ट आनी जो पळय इवन नरेंद्र मोदी कोण फोर्स करता आयकोपाक वो कोळसो हाडपाक थ्रू गोवा. द अडानी मोदी दोस्ती, the friendship of Adani and Modi. आता आम्ही म्हणटा it is a conspiracy to finish Goa. Already गोंय काबार जावपाक लागले. Now 2014 तुमकां खबर हा नरेंद्र मोदी came to power. But एक विसर नाका तुम्ही की नरेंद्र मोदी प्राईम मिनिस्टर करपाक आमचो हात हा, एक एकल्या गोंयकाराचो हात हा. The foundation for propelling Modi to prime ministership was laid in Taligaon in 2013. जेन्ना बीजेपीची पार्लियामेंटरी पार्टी met in Taligaon 2013 ताणी डिसिजन घेतलें की the chief minister of Gujarat, the then chief minister Shri Narendra Modi should be nominated as the candidate for prime ministership. So आमचो हात हा and we have to take the corrective action. The Munis should have been grateful to Goa. जिस थाली में खाया उस थाली में शेक किया, वो आमका डायलॉग ऐकूंक येता हिंदी पिक्चरान तसले जाल्ले हा. The beaches, the hills, जी आमची शेतां दोंगर भाटां रानां जी आमकां देवान दिल्यान पळय ते. But today we are at crossroads. आयज असलो टायम आयिल्लो आसा